Today, I'll show you how to clear both your in and out points at the same time on the edit or cut page using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is a quick tip, but it can really speed up your editing workflow once it becomes a habit. Let's set the scene. You're working on a clip in your timeline and you've already set an in point and an out point to mark a specific section. Maybe you were preparing to make a cut, export a section, or just review a particular range. But now you've changed your mind, or you're done with that selection and you want to clear it out completely so you can move on. Instead of removing each point one at a time, you can clear them both together with a single shortcut. On Windows, the shortcut you'll use is Alt plus X. On a Mac, it's Option plus X. Think of it this way, you're using the same key combination on both systems, just adapted to the keyboard layout. Alt on Windows becomes Option on Mac, and X is the action key that clears your mark in and mark out. First, make sure you're on either the edit page or the cut page. This shortcut is designed to work there, where you're actively dealing with timeline ranges and mark sections. If you're on a different page, like Fusion or Color, it won't behave the same way, so it's worth checking the icon at the bottom of your screen to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're on the correct page and you've got an in and out point set somewhere in your timeline or viewer, simply press Alt and X together on Windows or Option and X together on a Mac. You don't need to click on anything first as long as your timeline or viewer is already active. When you press the shortcut, both the in point and the out point will be cleared at once. You'll know it worked when you no longer see the in and out markers and the highlighted range between them disappears. Your playhead will remain where it was, but the defined selection is gone, leaving you free to set new points without any leftover markings from your previous range. A useful habit is to press this shortcut before setting a fresh set of in and out points, especially if you do a lot of repetitive selection work. It keeps your timeline clean and avoids confusion about which section is currently active. It's also handy if you accidentally set a point in the wrong place. Instead of hunting for individual commands to clear in or clear out, you can just reset both instantly and start over. To summarize the gesture in your mind, edit or cut page active, then Alt plus X on Windows or Option plus X on Mac, and your in and out points are cleared together. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature